everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a quick sort of makeup tutorial. Well, to be honest, I need to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I work at a hospital, and until recently, we were not required to wear masks. Our department has sort of been up and locked away in a tower, away from like patients and other people. So until recently, like I said, we haven't been required to wear masks. And with those medical masks that were issued, we are told that we are not supposed to really wear makeup with them because they stain and they can't get that out. Been telling us girls, and there's a couple of us in the office, that we really cannot wear makeup or, you know, that much makeup to stain the masks. So I have been thinking about how I'm gonna get away with wearing makeup, but not staining my mask. So I have one of these masks that and it looks dirty, but it's not, it's just black. So this is just a regular cloth mask, and we are able to wear our own cloth mask if we leave our department or go throughout the hospital or we're interacting with patients. Then they were requiring us to wear the masks that the hospital supplies for us. I would go ahead and try to figure out what I'm gonna do with makeup. Good thing that my skin is acting right, because if she was on another level, I don't know what I would do without my foundation. But we're gonna go ahead and do like a light makeup today, and try to get around not wearing so much makeup or so much foundation anyway while we're wearing masks. So let's get started, because I have no idea what I'm gonna do. All right, first of all, let me go ahead and get my hair out of the way. Okay, so I already have moisturizer on my face like I always do. I use the Aveeno Positively Radiant Moisturizer. I do have a skincare video if you guys want to check that out. I will link it. I'm gonna go ahead and treat my face like I'm gonna be outside sweating. So hopefully that helps with not transferring makeup. I'm also gonna try to not put makeup where the mask really fits, which is on the nose and sort of around the cheeks. So those areas I'm gonna sort of try to not put that much makeup on and see if we can get away with it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and everything like I normally do, because the mask's not up there. Go ahead and get started. I think first of all, I'm gonna start with Murad. This is a really good primer I've been using. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that my forehead, on my nose, especially on my nose, and on my cheeks, sort of right where that mask is gonna fit. And of course on my chin, because that's gonna be sort of an area as well. Okay, so once that goes ahead and dries and sets into my skin, I'm gonna go in with a setting spray. I've been using the Milani Make It Last setting spray, matte setting spray. I really like this, I've been using it a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a good couple pumps of that. Whew. Okay, so now that is dry, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay. Going in with this foundation because I feel like it's not transferable. You can rub on it and it doesn't really transfer too easy. So I'm hoping that that translates to not rubbing off on the mask. But I am gonna use a very, very light amount, and I think I'm just gonna do my forehead and very light around my face where the mask is gonna sit. And yeah, very light is the key word. So I'm gonna go in with just the tiniest of pumps and my makeup sponge. I'm gonna focus mostly that on my forehead first. I'm gonna go down my bridge of my nose, but I'm not gonna go on top of my nose. I think I'm gonna try to get away with not putting any foundation there. And the lower half of my face with just the tiniest amounts. I'm not gonna be wearing my mask the entire time I'm at work. I work, like I said, in a department where we are not really dealing with patients right now. So I don't have to have the mask on the entire time that I'm at work. But if I do leave the immediate office to either go downstairs to the cafeteria or, to the bathroom, because there's not really a bathroom in our direct office, then I will have to throw on a mask. So I can't look, super crazy. So I'm just gonna go on with what was left on my sponge, which is almost nothing. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. So you can see there's still a good amount of product on there that I didn't use. I'm just gonna go in with my finger and sort of spot conceal this little area here, because she has not been complying with everybody else. And I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure that that's blended out down here. A little on my lip, because I don't think my lip is gonna be touching the mask much. so that is what we're looking like so far. So I got coverage. It's not gonna be super thick. Hopefully it's not gonna transfer on this mask. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just put on a little bit of my Maybelline Age Rewind just on my forehead like I usually do and blend that out. I'm gonna set that with powder if I have powder over here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set that forehead with my RCMA powder. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna do those off camera. You guys have seen a million videos of my brows. I haven't been doing anything different. I might do them a little more light, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and did my brows. I used the Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. Been loving this. Anyway, so yeah, that is it for the eyebrows. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of contour on my forehead. Go ahead in with my, what is this one? I think it's by Kiss. I'll have to link it in the description box because I can't remember. All the packaging is rubbed off, but it's just like that. I'm gonna do a light forehead contour. As you know, your girl's forehead is big. Okay, go ahead and clean that up a little bit. Go ahead and do some eyeliner and some lashes like I normally do because your mask ain't up there, so at least you can, you know, throw a little liner and stuff on. So I've been using the Physicians Formula inked eyeliner. I really love this stuff. It's got the marker tip. The only thing that I don't like is the price. It's a little pricey, but I did get these buy one get one free or buy one get one half off, so you know, I picked a couple up. I'm gonna do a light line. I don't think I'm gonna do a wing today. I don't feel like doing wing. So I'm just gonna do a very light line just to sort of hide my false lashes that I'm about to throw on. Do the other side. Does that look even? Even enough. Mascara, my Maybelline Colossal. You know, I love this stuff, been using it for years. I'll do that first and then put some lashes on. Still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this section of my face, so I'm stalling if y'all haven't already noticed, because I don't know what I'm gonna do in regards to like blush or anything, because I feel like that's gonna just rub the hell off. I'm gonna throw on these little lashes. I'm not sure which brand they are. If I can remember, I'll link them in the description box, but they're just little lashes. They're not, you know, huge long lashes, just some little, you know, discreet lashes, because you know, y'all see that I am bald-headed. So she needs a little help with lashes. So I'm gonna throw these on and I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and put lashes on. I'm just gonna put the tiniest bit of concealer under my eye, just right up here where I know the mask is not gonna touch, just to brighten that up a little bit. Of course, gonna set that with my RCMA powder again. So now I just have to deal with the part of my face that really is gonna have the mask sitting on it. So I think I'm just gonna do the tiniest bit of contour just right up here where the mask sorta is not really touching, just with the residue that is on my brush from earlier. I'm just gonna put the tiniest amount there and the tiniest amount up here. And then I think with blush, because I'm worried about a powder blush sort of rubbing off, I'm gonna go in with this Lip and Cheek Stain by Pierre in the color Coral. I got this a long time ago in one of those Ipsy or Boxy Charms. I don't know what it is, but it's like a lip tar. It's creamy. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just put that on. I feel like this is not gonna rub off as easy once it's like, you know, worked into the skin, just to give my cheeks a little color. And I'm not using a whole lot, I'm just using the tiniest amount. see the difference? That side gave me just a little bit of color. Do the other side. And I am just patting that in with my finger. It's sort of sticky, so it's hard to sort of smooth around. You don't want to smooth it around anyway. Okay, so both sides have a little color on there. Just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere, I'm going to go back in with my RCMA powder and just set that. Add some lower lash line mascara. And I think that that's probably going to be it. Maybe a little bit of chapstick because your lips are going to be moving around on the mask and you don't want them to touch the mask at all. So I don't really want to put anything that has color on my lips. Okay, so just a little bit of shine on the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going in with a Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the color, ooh, what color is she? Oh, it's in the front, Blossom Glow. Just gonna go ahead with my finger and put that a little bit in the inner corner of my eye just to give myself a little shine. So I think that's the face. What I'm gonna do is take my hair back down, put on the mask, let you guys see what it looks like with the mask on. Hopefully there's no areas that I hit where it will transfer, so yeah. Okay, everybody, totally forgot to do an outro. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, and I will see you guys next time.